Hi, my name is Diana Ferris and I'm the Director of Training for Edugents. Today we're going to talk about summary level reports. To access those reports, you can go to the left-hand menu and look at Reports. You can also access the report menu by going to the app icon at the top right-hand side, clicking on that, and going to Reports. Both ways will take you to the same screens. You can see that you have district reports for all local assessments, STAR and end of course, as well as TELPAS. These are arranged in a similar manner with campus reports, student group reports, teacher reports, rosters, and item reports. Today we're going to talk about the first three at the summary level. Summary level reports provide the user a means of comparison of the district and the campuses within that particular district. Item reports and SE performance are discussed on another video. The user can access a number of reports within each card. In the Campus Reports card, you see Summary and Items. You could go directly to Items if you choose to do that. Student Group Reports, you can go to a summary or information on the demographic groups by going directly to the student groups. On the Teacher Reports, you can go to the summary, reports by course, or the teacher dashboard. Each summary page also gives you additional tabs where you can drill down when you are at that particular level. We're going to the summary page first on Campus Reports. These reports will provide the user with a comparison between the district and campus reports. Select the year, select the test grade, select the subject, and the assessment that you want to view. Click on the green arrow to generate the report. You will see the district and all of the campuses following. You will see the number of students tested at the district as well as by each campus. You can see the average score, average percent correct score. You can see the average raw score of all of the students tested. The percent approaching, which is the percent approaching or higher. The percent meeting, which is also the percent meeting or higher, whereas the percent mastering is only the percent at mastery level. You can also see the average percentages for reporting categories as well as the SEs. You can sort these by clicking on the down arrow, sort ascending, sort descending, to change the sort order or to return it to its original form. You can also use this drop-down arrow to hide the column. You can continue hiding as many columns as you would like, and you will have this view. You can also export this report out to Excel. At any point in time, you can use the drop-down arrow on the right-hand side to go back to the parameters, and you can change those parameters, go to another test, another grade, or whatever you choose. You will see other headers at the top of this menu. You can go to these, such as the student group, or you can go to student group reports from the main menu and click on Summary. This report provides color-coded information about performance of students by demographics as well as special programs. Again, it's divided by the district as well as all of the campuses. You can also export this report out using the Excel icon at the top right-hand side. You can also look at this report in a summary method by clicking on Summary, choosing your parameters, clicking on the green arrow, and generate the report. You can now see the student groups by district as well as by campus in a different format that can also be exported out. You can also see a tab that says Comparison. I can compare more than one test at a time. You can see the 4th grade Math STAR simulation is already there. So if I want to add another test, I pick the assessment that I want to choose, click on the Add button, and now you can see I have 2 tests. I can continue doing that and click the green arrow, and this will generate a report that now shows me a comparison of 2 assessments or more by the district, by the student groups, as well as by each campus and their student groups. You can see the headers at the top of the page and get additional reports by clicking those. Go to Analysis, select your parameters, and click the green arrow to get information about each item on a particular assessment. You can see the item number, the reporting category and the SE, the correct answer, the average percent of students who answered that question was 58 for this particular question and is color-coded in pink. You can see if it was a higher percentage, such as number 6, it's color-coded in green. You can also see the percentage of students, how they answered each question. 12% answered A, 20% answered B, 10% answered C, and 58% answered D. You also have a description of each SE to the right. Users may also get item information by clicking on Item at the top of the page, selecting the parameters, and click the green arrow. You may also get the same report from the Reports menu by clicking on Items under Campus Reports, selecting your parameters, and clicking the green arrow. And you can see item level information and performance by the district and all of the campuses. You can see the SEs at the top row. As you hover over those, you can see what each SE represents. For instance, the very first one is 4.2b, represents the value of the digit and whole numbers. As you scroll across, you can see how these will change. Below that are the reporting categories. You can see the correct answer for each question. You can see performance for each question, and these are all color-coded. You can see the number of students that were tested, the average percent correct, the average raw score, percent approaches, percent meeting, percent mastery, as well as performance on each item. This report can be exported out to Excel or to a PDF format. You can always change your parameters by using the drop-down arrow. Users may also want information about students' writing scores. Go to the Writing Scores report, click on the year, the tested grade, the course, as well as the assessment that you want information. Click the green arrow to generate the report. This report provides the user information about the students tested, the item number, where the writing composition took place, as well as the number of students scoring the different scores. For instance, 32 students scored a 2 on the writing composition, for a total of 26% of the students who scored a 2 at that particular campus. I can look at teacher summary reports in 2 different ways. While I'm in the Summary menu, I can click on Teacher Summary. From there, I can select my parameters, such as district or a specific school, the year, the test grade, the course, and again the assessment, and click the green arrow. I can get to the same report from the main page, going to Teacher Reports and clicking on Summary, and this will generate a report giving me information about the district, each campus, and the teachers within the campus, and student performance by teacher. Again, you can see the number tested for this particular teacher, the raw score, percent correct, SE level, and that type of information. I can drill down further by looking at course, and you can see now the teacher's courses are divided. I can divide that even further into section. Now the courses are divided by sections as well, and I can divide it also by group and look at the demographic groups within each teacher's course. Users may also want to see a comparison of all assessments given between district and campus in a particular subject and a particular grade. In order to do that, go to Test Summary, choose the year, the tested grade, and the course. Click on the green arrow, and a report will be generated for all assessments that have been given within that subject and that grade up to this point. You can see the district and the campuses, the number of students tested, as well as performance. This report can be exported out using the Excel icon. You can also see more information as you scroll down and you scroll across. Similar reports are also available for STAR. You can see campus reports, student group reports, and teacher reports. They follow the basic same format. Also are available for TELPAS. These are how you access summary reports. Thank you so much for your time.